At InfraMation 2018 in the exhibit hall, about an hour away from tonight's welcome reception here from 6 to 9 p.m. But joining me right now is ITC's Ron Lucier, our senior instructor and also trainer for optical gas imaging.
Yep.
How's the conference going?
Oh, it's fantastic. I've been, I think this is my 17th conference. I've been to all of them. And it's more of a technical conference, but for us as instructors, we get a chance to see our friends. Yeah, and to me, that's the best part.
Now, OGI's got several presentations here this week. For those that are the uninitiated, I guess, could you explain a little bit about optical gas imaging in industry?
Sure. Well, in optical gas imaging, we use a camera like the GFX 320 here, and it's an infrared camera. It's a cooled camera, mid-wave camera, and it has a special filter. And this particular filter here is designed to look for hydrocarbons. And so we see very, very small leaks of methane, ethane, propane, and it's a variety of uses. But we also have other optical gas imaging cameras. Some look for carbon dioxide, and that's widely used in the electric utility industry. If you're looking for hydrogen leaks in a generator, they insert a little bit of CO2 into the generator and watch where it leaks out. We can't see hydrogen, we can't see nitrogen, but we sure can see CO2.
So a lot of benefits for a lot of industries that are out there. And we provide the training, right, for the optical gas imaging. Can you talk a little bit about the classes with ITC and OGI?
Sure. Yeah, the class is a 2.5-day class. It's a certification class, and boy, do we put them through the ringer. We make sure everybody knows how to use their camera. So the first part of the class is all about camera operation, the theory behind it, and more importantly, the conditions to successfully detect leaks. It's not as simple as turning a camera on and looking for a leak. You have to know where the gas could be coming from, what type of gas, how to select the correct camera, because not only beyond the CO2, we also have carbon monoxide cameras, we have freon cameras, ammonia, sulfur hexafluoride, and we cover pretty much all those gases, and all of the conditions that are necessary to successfully detect very, very, very small leaks. And part of the training course is we always bring a small lab with us, and so rather than going out into the field and having to deal with fire retardant clothing, etc., we just leak a little bit of propane out in the back of a hotel somewhere, and everybody gets a chance to practice real life conditions with, and depending on the class, we can simulate some very, very small leaks down to 1 to 2 grams per hour.
So how important would you say is the training overall to the success that you're going to have with the technology? It seems critical.
It is critical. It's very critical, and it's also required. The new U.S. rule, NSPS Quad OA, part of the rule, you have to demonstrate that the inspectors were adequately trained. And how can you do that unless you come to a class? And that whole rule is documenting that you are successful in detecting leaks, that you're there at the right time, and we cover all of the conditions necessary to do that.
And so those classes are available off the ITC website.
Correct.
It's infraredtraining.com/schedule, and you'll see a variety of dates listed. I know we've got them all over the U.S.
Yep.
And for the conference, for information, we're going to continue on here. You can follow us online on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the hashtag InfraMation18. We've got the welcome reception coming up here in a little bit. We've got the giant Jenga setup up here as well. We got cornhole, live music. It's going to be a great evening here from Austin, Texas at the Hilton. Thanks for your time, Ron.
Hey, anytime. It's a blast here.
We'll see you online again soon.